Good morning, respected ma'am and my dear friends. I am Agamjot Singh, studying in class 4C in Guru Nanak Public School, Punjabi Bagh, New Delhi. In this video, I will show you the mask created by me on the given topic, my favorite pet. Let's start. Hello, I am Chorus. 12 years old brown white dog living in Agamjot family from last 12 years, or you can say before the birth of Agamjot Singh. I love all family members but aggressive to strangers. I protect my house, especially during nights. No one dares to come in front of me. My favorite food is bread soaked in milk and pedigree biscuit and chicken gravy. I am very obedient to family members. Physical activities like running, jumping and playing etc. makes me happier, and I don't like to sitting idle. I am very protective for my family. I can attack anyone who tries to misbehave or harm my family members. Everyone in the family loves and cares me a lot, as I am family member rather than a dog to them. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bhau bhau.